Hi everyone, today we will learn more than 40 abstract nouns from verbs. So watch the video and learn the abstract nouns. Let's start. Verb, abstract noun. Accept, acceptance. Aid, addition. Admire, admiration. Afford, affordability. Allow, allowance. Amuse, amusement. Analyze, analysis. Annoy, annoyance. Appear, appearance. Applaud, applause. Appreciate, appreciation. Approve, approval. Argue, argument. Arrange, arrangement. Arrive, arrival. Attend, attention. Allow, allowance. Exceed, access. Admit, admission. Attend, attendance. Attract, attraction. Avoid, avoidance. Accomplish, accomplishment. Achieve, achievement. Acquire, acquisition. So these are the abstract nouns from verbs. Authorize, authorization. Behave, behavior. Believe, belief. Belong, belongingness. Bless, blessing. Blind, blindness. Bore, boredom. Calculate, calculation. Clean, cleanliness. Close, closeness. Collect, collection. Compare, comparison. Complete, completion. Decide, decision. Decorate, decoration. Develop, development. Disagree, disagreement. Disappear, disappearance. Divide, division. Define, definition. Elect, election. Eliminate, elimination. Emphasize, emphasis. Encourage, encouragement. Energize, energy. Enforce, enforcement. Estimate, estimation. Imagine, imagination. Impress, impression. Improve, improvement. Include, inclusion. Inform, information. Instruct, instruction. Intend, intention. Object, objection. Observe, observation. Occur, occurrence. Offend, offense. Operate, operation. Organize, organization. Orient, orientation. Pretend, pretension. Prevent, prevention. Protect, protection. Punish, punishment. Quality, qualification. Recognize, recognition. Recommend, recommendation. Reconcile, reconciliation. Recruit, recruitment. Thank you so much.